Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of November, 2022. We are going to talk about a new cryptocurrency here on this particular channel. It is associated with a decentralized exchange, which we already know how that has been faring with crypto exchanges so far the last couple of days, 2 weeks. I wanted to come in and show you all this particular cryptocurrency because it hasn't really been impacted as bad as the other one. So let's go ahead and talk about that real quick. Now, if you guys don't know this particular cryptocurrency or token, it is termed, the ticker symbol is GMX. All right, so there's an article right here written from CoinDesk on October the 5th, 2021, going a little bit deeper into what is GMX token. It is a decentralized exchange, and look at the title. GMX surges after Binance FTX listing. We already know about FTX, and maybe this particular cryptocurrency may be affected once one of the exchanges does not offer trading for this currency. We'll talk about that, but I wanted to come in and highlight a portion of this article for you all. GMX is a decentralized exchange, a DEX, meaning that investors can buy and sell tokens on the platform without an intermediary by using smart contracts. The platform offers low fees and so-called zero price impact trading, so-called, keep that in quotations, which allows more capital efficient trading without slippage, which is the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price. It's a DEX, meaning that you don't need to have another party coming through and try to trade with you. You have smart contracts doing the opposite trading, creating the markets for the cryptocurrencies. Now, the article goes into and tells us that FTX decided to list this currency. Yes. Now, is that going to impact the price? Well, I mean, you guys can kind of tell when the market in GMX heard about, FTX being coming in solving. Yeah, the price was impacted, but it recovered. You guys can see how the price in GMX is actually trending higher in price, right? That's pretty good. Now, the problem that I do see though, I'm going to give you what I suspect the market is going to do. So let me show you all where the market got hung up. Okay, it got hung up right there around $48. A lot of the trades that has occurred on Binance has occurred below $48. I would say 95, maybe even 98% of all the trades since it's been trading here on Binance has occurred below $48. That's the issue for any of the buyers in GMX. We saw the market in GMX just yesterday hit that $48 price. And now we're still seeing some selling coming to the market. Now, I want you all to see how the market in GMX saw the price run up to $48. That's when the market hit with selling and price closed all the way down into 38. We're getting the same thing today. The market ran up to 48 twice, and now we're seeing it right back down to 42. That tells us that there's selling going on in the market in GMX. Let's look at this on a smaller time frame. Let's look at this on the 3-hour chart. Okay, so you guys can see here that the market here in GMX is getting hit with some selling, but you know something? The market also is not reacting to it negatively. When we see these 3-hour price bars, the idea would be for the market to do what? Yeah, come down. Well, it's not doing that right now. So what does it mean? Well, it simply means that there's interest, there's demand still coming into the market in GMX at these prices. My only problem is that $48 level. So I would tell you this, seeing the market in GMX hover around this area will tell us that the buyers are going to try to break price above 48. If this continues, if we continue to see the market in GMX continue to trade this way, the idea will be for price to break above 48. Okay, so let's look at this at the 110-minute price bar. You guys can see that there's still some selling coming to the market in GMX, to the point to where I'm kind of cautious to say that this market is massively bullish. Looks to me like somebody is maintaining the price up here in GMX so that they can get up off their position before the market continues to trend down. I really don't see a lot of bullishness here as we see price in GMX hover around $42, $43. I don't see it. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all a different hourly chart. The 7-hour chart, you guys can see here that again, we have to be prepared for any type of situation or scenario. And the article from CoinDesk written in October stated that FTX was going to list GMX on their exchange. Well, FTX is insolvent. So will more people have to come to Binance to get their GMX? That's going to hurt liquidity and volume for this token, because more and more people have less access to trading, to buying this token. So let me go ahead and do this. What we're going to do on this particular video, we are going to play the weakness into the market. Now check this out though. Even though we're going to look for price in GMX to trend down, we are not going to be massively bearish though. We're still going to allow the market in GMX pretty much consolidate. Okay, so we're going to keep it real. Now, the idea to which we can see price in GMX run. Okay, so let me see this on a different time frame. So the first price target has already been touched right there around $38. I'm going to hold that as my first price target again, $38. Okay. My second price target is going to be around 36. So it looks like it's going to be in $2 increments for us to see our price targets. We got 38 first, 36 second, and then ultimately 34. Now, am I looking for the price to really run down to 34 right now? No, I'm not. But hey, we got to be prepared for anything within the cryptocurrency space, especially with all of the chaos or volatility that's going on with so many different exchanges. GMX needs to be watched as well. So let's go ahead and do this here. This is the first video of us creating a price prediction for GMX, and we're going to play the market to the downside. Now, not much, because you guys can tell that this is the overall direction so far. We continue to hold this, then yeah, I would say eventually the market will break above that $48 level. It's just not ready yet. All right, so give me your thoughts, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel. And as always, make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.